Okay, I don't normally do videos like this, but I notice weird things sometimes, whatever it is. I'm gonna make a video. Okay, so this is about, and have an open friggin' mind to this. This is my kind of theory on black holes, and it has to do, oddly, with boiling maple sap. Okay, cool. This will be kind of a two-parter because I got to do it cold and then got to do it hot. All right, so keep this in mind. Okay, you gotta kind of understand the science, or what's the science that's understood right now about black holes and junk like that. So you got to do a little. I'm not gonna explain that. You got to do a little research on that first and kind of understand a little bit more about it yourself. Okay, cool. With that, once again, open mind. Okay, cool. So the way it's understood that what black holes look like is, imagine it like, in a way, water going down a drain, right? So like the circular motion of whatever, you know what I mean? So I don't know how to explain this other than showing, you know what I mean? So you get this thing friggin' going. All right. Okay, so this is cold. You see it friggin' spinning. Just look, you can, the foam actually has something to do with it in a second here too. It's kind of icy, so there's ice in this sap solution too. Okay, so it's spinning, blah 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 blah, and then it's cold, so it's gonna slow down. Friction takes over of the ice in the water and blah blah blah. Right, so it's stopped. And it didn't take very long. I didn't time it, and if you want, whatever, you can take the video time. So right now, you can see it stopped, obviously, but it made kind of like this ring of foam, right, around where it stopped. And in the middle, if you kind of look at it, it's a little bit higher, right? Cool. So once again, I can do this again. I can, you know what I mean? I'll get rid of that. Right, and then there wasn't any foam to start, but there is some now. It doesn't really matter. Get this friggin' thing spinning again. Wait. Keep spinning, and actually you can see, like, if you imagine that, like, the way the look the way our galaxies are shaped, right? And if a black hole is in the middle of each galaxy, think about that, right? So this is where you got to have an open mind. So cool. See how it's spinning around again, slowing down, same kind of ring-ish around the outside, and then the high spot in the middle. Okay, cool. So that's what that is. That's video one, if I guess, if I want to call it that. So like I said, you gotta understand, not understand, but know the what's presented in science about what that we know about black holes right now. Okay, cool. So like this would be, what I imagine is kind of like the accretion disk. You know what I mean? That's all the junk that's kind of caught in that vortex, and then when it slows down, it kind of makes that ring, and then okay, and then you'll see what I mean about this, what this kind of hump in the foam is when it's hot. Okay, cool. All right. Open mind, remember it. Open mind.